Alright, so from this angle, the car looks completely fine. The bumper cracked. This is misaligned. Like you can see, that's a pretty big gap compared to this side. And then this is the major damage. This fender needs to be completely replaced. But yeah, so basically it was really icy the other day and I hit something. So yeah, that's what happened. And you know what? That's not even the worst of it. This is the most annoying thing ever. Thankfully the door is actually completely undamaged. But I cannot open it all the way. So I gotta crawl in here like that. So yeah, I can't really open my door all the way, mainly just because these two fenders right here, you can see the metal touching right there. So, right there. That's where it's touching. And so yeah, I cannot open my door all the way. So, I do have a new fender on the way, but that's gonna take time. Like, probably, 6 to 8 days. So yeah guys, that's what happened to the car. It's unfortunate, but on the bright side, it's only $45 for that new fender. And I was gonna replace the bumper with a body kit or something anyways, just to, I don't know, just because it's cracked like that. So yeah guys, that's gonna be it for this video. It's unfortunate, but you know, shit happens. It's $45 for a new fender, and hopefully there won't be any other unnecessary damage that I have to take care of. If you guys enjoyed the video, please drop a like below, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.